Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Cookiebot banner templates for website UI, full guide step by step clearly. To download Cookiebot banner templates for your website UI, start by navigating to the Cookiebot website. Once on the home page, locate the resources or templates section. You may find this in the main menu or as a footer link. Select the category for website banners or templates. Review the available options to find the banner templates that suit your needs. Click on the template you are interested in. This will bring you to a detailed page about that specific banner template. Look for a download button or link on this page. If required, fill out any forms or fields to access the download. After completing the necessary steps, initiate the download. The file will typically be in a zip format or as a direct file download. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your computer's download folder. Extract the contents of the zip file if necessary. Open the template files using your preferred design or coding software. Make any customizations needed to match your website's branding. After editing, save your changes and prepare to implement the banner on your site. Upload the banner file to your website's UI as per your site's design requirements. Ensure that the banner displays correctly across different devices and browsers. You have now successfully downloaded and customized a Cookiebot banner template for your website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.